All right, guys. So our next question, question number 11, is here. Okay, we are given with two polynomial function, and they are asking us to sketch the curves of both these polynomial function on the same xy plane. And then part B says that we have to indicate this region on the plane. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Now see here, we are given with two main equations. First is y equals x cubed minus 3x squared. And the second one is y equals x minus 2 cube. Okay, this is second one and this is my first one. Now see here, this one can be further simplified as x squared x minus 3. Okay, so this is going to be my main equation. Okay, now if you see here, uh, if x0, y is equal to 0, it means that x is equal to 0, multiplicity. See, I'm talking about the zeros of this polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. It's going to have 3 zeros. This is going to be the repeated, right? Repeated means that multiplicity is 2. So at this point, the curve will touch x-axis and bounce over. And then x equals plus 3 here, pass through. Okay? And also the end behavior, this is cubic, a is positive, a is greater than 0. It means left side down, right side up. All right, so let's do the graph for this. Here x0, y0. Okay, this point. Now here x1, so y is going to be x1, y is going to be minus 2, right? 1 minus 3 minus 2. x2, y is going to be 4, and here 2 minus 3 minus 4. x3, 9. x3 means here y is 0. Okay, so if you take minus 1, then minus 1 is going to be minus 4. And if you take minus 2, minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 multiplied by 4, minus 20. Okay, and then take some more positive values. 4, it's going to be 16. 4 going to be 16. I think we have enough values. So 1, x1, y minus 2, this one, and 2 minus 4, and this one. 3, 0 means this one, and minus 1, 4, minus 1, minus 4 here. Okay, and then minus 2, minus 20. Okay, so here this region and this region rise up. Okay, so for minus 2 it's going to be minus 20, so it will come from here, it will minus 2, it will go like this, and here Okay, so this represents the blue represents the sketch of cubic polynomial function. This is f(x) equals x cubed minus 3x squared. Okay, now move to the next one. Here x is going to have value 0 and x is going to have 2. Here pass through, and here also pass through. Why? Because the multiplicity is out and a is positive, so the graph will rise up. Okay, so let's check for x. Make the table x, y. For 1, it's going to be minus 1. For 1, it's going to be minus 1. For 0, it's going to be 0, right? 0. And for 1, it's going to be minus 1. For 2 again, it's going to be, for 2, it's going to be 0, right? So means this one. And for minus 1, for 2, okay, for 3 minus 2, 1. So for 3, it's going to be 3. It's going to be 3. For 3, it's going to be 3. This one, 3. Okay. For 4, it's going to be, fine. For negative, for 3, it's going to be 3. Go to the negative x, minus 1, it's minus 1 here, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 9. This one, minus 1, x minus 1. Now x minus 1, so it's going to be positive 9, means minus 1, 9 here, right? Minus 1, 9. Now, if you are going to take minus 2, it's going to be the huge value. Okay, so this curve is going to be for 0, 0.5. Let me see. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Oh, it's going to be something. It's going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this. Here you will have stationary point. if you just check, sorry, this is 2, okay? Here, if you just check the first derivative, then it's the value of first derivative at this point, it is 0, okay? But don't worry if you do not understand the first derivative meaning. So do not worry, because we will do it in the calculus part. But here, just this is going to be your curve y equals x minus 2 cube. Okay, so your green represents this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now, here they may ask you that how many solutions are there for both these graphs. Okay, so these two graphs, they intersect at these 2 points. Okay, so there are going to be 2 solutions. Okay, but we are not interested in that. We are more interested in the second part, which says that which says that which says that which says this. Okay, this intersection, the value of x between -1 and 4, -1 here, here, and 4 here. Okay, so we will see this. First, I can break it into 2 things. y it is y greater than equal to x squared minus 3x squared, and y less than equal to x minus 2 cube. Okay, now what does it mean? Now, y greater than this means that they are talking about the region that's on this curve, or the region up this curve. So where is x squared minus 3x squared? Where is x squared minus, x cube? Okay, x cube minus 3x squared. Okay, so where is x cube minus 3x squared? The yellow, sorry, not yellow, but the blue curve. So they are talking about the region that's exactly up the curve, including the curve. Okay, so it represents blue curve and region above it. Okay, so this blue curve and the region above the blue curve. Okay, and then here, this one, what it represents, green curve and region below it, so green curve means this one, and region below the green curve. All right, now here you have to sketch the region that includes both this curve and the intersection using the values of x between -1 and 4. Okay, what does it mean? Here this is x4, so I can just try to make the boundaries, and here x minus 1 means this one. Okay, now they are talking about the intersection of these curves. Okay, intersection. Now see here, we know that this represents what region? uh, Blue curve and above blue curve means they are talking about what region? This region. Okay, uh, above. Now see here, this region, this region, this region. Okay, this region. Why I'm not using this? Because this part is not going to be the intersection. Why? Because for this green curve we have to indicate region below this and on the curve, means that this one again, this one below green and above blue, so the common region is going to be this region, and it's not going to be this region because above. So here I'm not going to take this because here above this is this and below this is this. So what's going to be common here? Nothing. So I'm just talking about this region, okay? And from where? X minus 1 to here. Now see here, uh, also this region, if you look here, above and below, so here also this region, see here, above blue and below green, so this whole region will also be included. This whole region will also